Hi guys, welcome to my video. Today I'm gonna sing a song about my mom and dad. So let's try it out. Mommy and Poppy sitting in the tree. L-O-V-E, love, love, love. First comes love, then comes cute. Then comes the lovebirds going to their kids. Now I hope you like that song. Comment down below if you think that was nice and like a nice song, or you think that yeah, if you think however, and make sure you subscribe, hit the bell if you think, hit the bell so I can let you know if there is another video or a new video. So, and like the video if you like it. And bye!